An upcoming panel is Breaking Barriers, Igniting Conversation and Paving the Way for Change and Mental Health within the South Mississippi community. And joining us on today's Health Corner today to discuss Singing River Health System's ongoing mental health initiative is internal medicine specialist and pediatrician Dr. Jasmine Paget. Dr. Paget, thank you so much for joining us. It's great to have you on the show.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah, I think this is great to have this panel to discuss. We still have a long way to go when it comes to mental health issues and still getting rid of the stereotype too that's
right.
associated with it.
Yep, that's right.
Why do you think that's the case? Why are people afraid to talk about it and be open about it?
Well, there is a lot of stigma. You know, people they associate mental health with mental illness, like something is wrong, that they need more support than, the average person, or that they feel that they can't do things on their own. So it's a lot of stigma.
And I know that as far as mental health in this country, a lot of young people, a pretty good portion of them, I don't remember the numbers, but I mean, anxiety and depression are two of the biggest issues that doctors deal with when they do seek help. And a lot of people are not seeking help, but those are big words right now, anxiety, depression among the young people. Are you seeing that?
Absolutely. So, according to the CDC, more than 1 in 5 people suffer from some type of mental health. There's either anxiety, depression, you have ADHD, OCD, anorexia, all of that encompasses mental health. So for me, I always share my story. My first day starting here, so I finished my training at the end of June of this year. And started with Singing River in October, mid-October. And on my first day, I think I had 8 patients, and 7 out of the 8 had a diagnosis of anxiety, depression, or both. And a lot of people were seeking help for the first time, and a lot of them were young people. And so I was really surprised to see that.
My goodness, yeah, that is a wake-up call, I guess, isn't it?
Absolutely.
Well, the Reputation Reset Entering the Mental Health Era is Friday, February 23rd, beginning at 9 a.m. at the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino. And you can visit mentalhealthera.com for tickets. And what can people expect at this event?
Yeah, so this event will be an open discussion of all things mental health. So we'll be talking about resources available, coping skills, signs and symptoms to look for, not just in other people, but in yourself.
Okay, so this isn't just for professionals, it's really for everyone to attend and learn.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
Dr. Jasmine Paget, thanks so much for joining us today. Great to see you.
Yeah, thanks again for having me.